You're looking at a document on electronic components, and I wish to change these to an appropriate heading. At the moment, they're just normal text. I will double click on two resistors and you can see this appears. And I'm going to click here onto bold, and keep your eye on resistors and you can see it's gone bold. I'll click onto italics and it goes to italics. I'm now going to click here and I'm going to choose a color, and I'm going to choose the color red, which I normally wouldn't do for a heading, but I wish for it to stand out in this video. I'll then come here and I'll click on the large A, and what this will do, it will make the font bigger. So I'll just take that to a bigger size, and you can see now that I have a heading that's bold, red, italics, and bigger than the other headings that appear in this document. I wish the font styles that appear on resistors to be applied to capacitors. To achieve this, simply click onto resistors, come up here to Format Painter, click it, come down and keep your eye on the cursor, and when I go over the text capacitors, you can see it changes to a brush. Now it's just a question of clicking onto capacitors, and you can see that it now has exactly the same font styles as does the font styles that are on resistors. Now I also wish to do the same here with inductors. So I'll move the arrow down and place it over inductors, and you will note that the Format Painter, the thing that looked like a brush a moment ago, is no longer there. So if you wanted this to be the same, you'd have to go back up to capacitors, click on that, then click here, and then come back and click onto inductors. But there is a better way if you want all of the headings in this document to change to the same style as resistors and capacitors are currently. The approach is to click on one of the headings, and I have chosen resistors. Come to Format Painter, and instead of single clicking on it, double click, then come down here and you can see the brush appears. Click on inductors and you can see that goes to the same style. Then I'll scroll down, click on diodes, then I'll scroll down, click on transistors, and you can see what's happened. You maintain the Format Painter brush, and you can now click on as many things as you like to change it to the same font style. Now here you can see we have integrated circuits. So I'll click on to integrated circuits, but I've only clicked onto the first word, and you can see it hasn't done the other words in the heading. Now what you can do, you can click on each in turn. Alternatively, the best way to do it is to hold the left mouse button down and simply drag across the entire heading and then release, and you can see it all goes to the same font style. You now continue in this vein until you've changed all of the headings as appropriate. So you can see that all of the headings have now been changed to the style that I chose. I don't really want the headings to be red, so what I will do, I'll double click on the resistors, I'll change the color to black, and then I'll come across to Format Painter, I'll double click that, and then you can see I'll change this to black coming down, and I just click on each one in turn, and I'll drag across this one, then I'll click on switches, I'll click on connectors, and I'll click on conclusion, and you can see how easy it has been. And if you look here, you can see the brush, and that brush will be maintained to allow me to repeat the changing of font styles, because I double clicked onto the Format Painter, not single clicked. So I, to my heart's content now, click on all the headings in turn in my document.